Good day from CBK. So ang i-unbox naman natin ngayon is yung ating Stanley 25 pieces 1/2 drive socket set. So tara, samahan nyo ako para makita natin kung anong laman nito. So yun, buksan na natin to. So tignan na natin yung laman ng ating 25 pieces Stanley socket set. So meron tayo ditong spark plug remover for 21mm spark plugs. Then meron tayong universal adapter. Meron tayong 1/2 ratchet. Then yung ating 1/2 power driver. Yung ating 5-inch extension. Of course, meron din tayong 10-inch extension. Yung ating sliding T-bar handle. And yung ating mga socket which is 10 to 32 mm. So itong ating 25 pieces Stanley 1/2 drive socket set is madalas ginagamit sa mga basic automotive and motorcycle repairs. So yun, kung nagustuhan nyo yung ating 25 pieces Stanley socket set, you can contact us here at Cobalt Yacht Hardware. Thank you!